Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Do You Know, where we break down world affairs in simple words. Today, we're talking about a time-tested friendship between India and Russia. Let's dive right in. Historical bonds. This friendship goes way back to the Cold War days, when India and the Soviet Union stood side by side. Remember the 1971 Indo-Soviet Treaty? That was a game changer. Defense powerhouse. Russia is India's biggest defense partner. From Sukhoi jets to the BrahMos missile, the two countries build powerful tech together. You name it, tanks, submarines, even air defense systems like the S-400. Strategic partnership. In 2000, they signed a strategic partnership. In 2010, it leveled up to a special and privileged strategic partnership. Yep, it's that strong. Nuclear cooperation. Russia's helping India power up, literally, with nuclear reactors like Kudankulam in Tamil Nadu. Space buddies. Russia helped launch India's space dreams. Now, they're backing ISRO's Gaganyaan, India's first human spaceflight mission. Trade and energy. From oil and gas to medicines and fertilizers, the trade's booming. They're targeting $30 billion in trade by 2025. Global partners. India and Russia work together in global clubs like BRICS, SCO, and the UN. They believe in a multipolar world where no single country dominates. Culture and education. Thousands of Indian students study in Russia. Plus, Russian culture, from ballet to literature, finds autonomy. India keeps its independence, balancing ties with the US and Russia. Meanwhile, Russia supports India's global rise. So, from defense to diplomacy, from energy to education, India and Russia share a bond built on trust and mutual respect. What do you think is the strongest part of this friendship? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more global insights made simple. See you next time.